to upload video on your YouTube channel. Before I start, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell for more videos. Thanks for your time. For this video tutorial is how to upload video on your YouTube channel. Make sure you already have a YouTube channel, and if you already have a YouTube channel, let's click on the YouTube app. Next, let's go to your YouTube channel. To see it, click the logo of your YouTube channel at the top, and here click it, your channel. And here, so you can upload a video, click on the plus sign at the bottom, and there are options there that will appear. Click upload video. Here are the options. Click upload video. Next, click your video to upload it, and click next to continue. This is your video. Put a title of your video. Next is your description. Add the description of your video. Next is your visibility. It must be set to private when uploading a video, and once uploaded, just edit it again and put it in public. Next, you add a playlist so that the long videos are separated from your shorts videos so that they can be viewed better. To add playlist, click it plus sign. And now I create a title on my video. Next is add description. Click it to add description. And you're done. To add description, click back. Don't worry, this is automatically saved. Before I leave, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care everyone. Bye bye.